Sabihin mo, it's my birthday today. I wanna you look.
It's my birthday today.
How old are you? Anak, huwag kang mag-look up. Just look on the phone.
6.
Yan. Sabing wag taas. Huwag ka sa akin tumingin sa cellphone. 6 years old?
Yeah, 6. You said that.
Happy birthday, Kim.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kintot. Kintot.
Tata.
5, 6.
Ano?
Ano sasabihin
Ano
ko?
sasabihin mo kay Kim?
Happy birthday, Kintot.
3. Happy birthday, Kim.
Happy birthday, King.
6 years old ka na.
6 years old ka na, tutoy.
Ito naman iba. At kunyari, ari ako ni Dali.
Alin?
Ari siya sa TV. Ayan ang ating handa.
Ito, papakita. Ay, Kim, papakita natin kung anong handa mo, okay?
What's handa mean?
The one you Papa prepared for your birthday.
Pata, King. Pata. Pork pat.
Kin! Tingin!
Hawa ito.
Mag-hi ka.
Hello.
May hi, guys.
Hey guys.
Hello, guys. Sa buffet. Hello, guys. Nandito po kami sa buffet.
Hawa ni King.
Sabihin mo.
May kinain.
Tsaka sa Chuck E. Cheese.
Sa Chuck E. Cheese.
Tayo mag-buffet.
Anong gusto niya?
Sama pa sa buffet.
Mag-buffet tayo, ako magbabayad. Pag nakuha ang pera ko,
Yo!
may dadating na naman.
Makabagong taon na tayo mag-buffet.
May dadating na naman akong pera. Eh, aba.
Nasa na ito na rin?
Ito po ang handa. Ito po ang mga handa namin. Aba, wala kayo dyan.
Hey Ma, you know how many pieces this Lego?
Tsaka ito.
Hey Ma, you know how many
Ampalaya!
pieces this Lego?
Ampalaya with shrimp. Ito naman ay adobo. Adobong masabaw.
Happy birthday, Kim.
6 years old ka na. Say!
What?
6 years old ka na.
6 years old? He's 6?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought.
6 years old ka na. Uy!
What?
6 years old ka na.
Why do I
Sabihin mo.
6 years old ka na?
We love you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Sinigaw eh?
Hey Ma. Mom, now you have the fourth plant now. Hey Mom, Mommy. Ma, now you have
Don't move
the
it. Ano, Ki?
you have your fourth plant now. I made this for you. 101 pieces.
Alam mo nga yung mga ngain eh.
Mga nyo.
Ayaw naman, di ba? Hindi nga yung
Hey Mom, you
hap ng patang
I think I can make something with all of these pieces. Even this, I think.
Happy birthday, King.
Ooh,
6 years old ka na. You be good, okay?
yeah.
Ikaw na kakain ng iyo.
You have to eat down on your own.
Yeah. That's what I did earlier.
5 plus 5.
10.
Abo, pagaling. How about 4 plus 4?
8.
Galing.
8 plus 8.
16.
7 plus 7.
I don't know what that. Like, bruh, what is wrong with you? Like, bruh.
Happy birthday, King. Oh, go blow your candle.
Damn, that was fast.
Okay, make a wish.
I
Close your eyes. No, just keep it to yourself.
wish.
I keep it to yourself. Your wish. And then, oh. Go. Happy birthday. Look at that. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.